chicken with caramelized onion and cardamom rice. I tried to follow the directions in the book to a T. The instructions I'm going to give now are quoted exactly from the famous cookbook Jerusalem word for word. Put the sugar in the water in a small saucepan and heat until the sugar dissolves. Remove from the heat and add barberries and set aside to soak. If using currants, you don't need to soak them in this way. Meanwhile, heat half of the olive oil in a large sauté pan for which you have a lid over medium heat. Add the onion and cook for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the onion has turned a deep golden brown. Transfer the onion in a small bowl and wipe the pan clean. Place the chicken in a large mixing bowl and season with 1.5 teaspoons of each salt and pepper. Add the remaining olive oil, cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon and use your hand to mix everything together well. Heat the frying pan again and place the chicken and spices in it. Sear for 5 minutes on each side and remove from the pan. This is important as it part cooks the chicken. The spices can stay in the pan, but don't worry if they stick to the chicken. Remove most of the remaining oil as well, leaving just a thin film at the bottom. Add the rice, caramelized onion, 1 teaspoon of salt and plenty of black pepper. Drain the barberries and add them as well. Stir well, return the seared chicken to the pan, pushing it into the rice. Pour the boiling water over the rice and chicken. Cover the pan and cook over very low heat for 30 minutes. Today, Arnold is in the kitchen. Teddy is a regular customer, but Arnold doesn't come often unless there is a good customer service. Take the pan off the heat, remove the lid, quickly place a clean tea towel over the pan, and sit again with the lid. Leave the dish undisturbed for another 10 minutes. Finally, add the herbs and use a fork to stir them in and fluff up the rice. Taste and add more salt and pepper if needed. Serve hot or warm with yogurt if you like.